Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to send your USDT from Bybit to your Tonkeeper, guys. First of all, you need to open your Tonkeeper. There will be your coins list and you need to find USDT in the list. Just click USDT, then click receive. And you need to copy this wallet address. And now we need to move to Bybit. Open Bybit tab, then you need to go to the assets, which is on the bottom right menu. Then you need to click withdraw, choose USDT. We need to put the wallet address inside this gap. We just copy it from Tonkeeper. Then this is important, guys. We need to choose the network and you need to select the Ton network, which is the second one in this case. Then we need to enter the memo. For example, let's send 3 USDT, and inside the memo, guys, we need to put nothing because it's not required in this case because we have got the exclusive unique wallet address. So let's put NA inside the memo. Let's click withdraw. Okay, as you can see, we have got 0 fees. Let's click confirm. And we need to confirm the transaction. I will do it very quickly. Then click confirm. And as you can see, we successfully sent our USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper. Now we need to wait a few minutes and then I will show you my balance on Tonkeeper, guys. As you can see, guys, in just a minute, we received our money on Tonkeeper, guys. So we have got 3 USDT on our Tonkeeper wallet. So that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.